Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your system install date in Windows. Knowing the installation date helps you keep track of how long your operating system has been in use. It provides valuable information for planning and scheduling routine maintenance tasks, such as software updates, driver installations, disk defragmentation, and system optimizations. The installation date can be useful for troubleshooting issues and diagnosing problems with your Windows system. If you encounter errors, crashes, or performance issues, knowing when the operating system was installed can help you identify potential causes, such as recent software installations, updates, or configuration changes. To get started with finding your installation date, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Command Prompt, and click on the Command Prompt application to open it up. Once Command Prompt opens, type in the following command: WMICOS get install date. Now hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Your system's install date will now be displayed. And it's as easy as that. Finding your system install date in Windows is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.